Welcome back to Prime Car. Today, we're stepping into the 2026 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that's now entered its third generation, refreshed, refined, and more spacious than ever before. At first glance, Mazda has kept the familiar silhouette that fans know and love, while sharpening the look with a more chiseled front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a wider grille. The CX-5 now wears a wider stance and benefits from design elements inspired by Japanese woodworking techniques, giving it a refined yet sturdy presence. At the rear, angular taillights and bold Mazda lettering replace the previous badge, a small but clear nod to Mazda's evolution in design thinking. While the compact crossover remains recognizable, its dimensions have grown meaningfully. The body stretches longer by over 4 inches, the wheelbase is extended, and the whole package is slightly wider. The result is more room inside, especially for rear seat passengers, who now enjoy improved legroom, headroom, and easier access thanks to generous door openings. Inside the cabin, Mazda leans into minimalism and refinement. Physical buttons are reduced, replaced by a sleek layout dominated by a sizable standard touchscreen, with the option to upgrade to nearly 16 inches of glass and touch controls. The instrument panel comes fully digital, and ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the mood, giving the CX-5 a cabin that feels upscale and serene. Materials feel premium, and overall the interior design emphasizes comfort and simplicity. Under the hood, Mazda retains the trusted 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, recently tuned for better response, smoothness, and quiet performance. It sends power through a 6-speed automatic gearbox to a standard all-wheel drive. The previously available turbo engine is no longer offered in this model. However, a hybrid powertrain, developed in-house by Mazda, is scheduled to arrive in the near future, likely boosting both performance and efficiency. On the road, the new CX-5 handles with the agility and poise Mazda is known for. Steering remains direct, the ride is composed and refined, and the lower center of gravity and longer wheelbase contribute to stable highway driving while still being responsive around corners. It's a comfortable performer for daily commutes and longer journeys alike. Safety has also advanced in the 2026 CX-5. While Mazda hasn't laid out every feature, we know the latest adaptive driver aids are available, likely including advanced versions of lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The brand's aim is clear: uphold high safety expectations in a segment where families and professionals seek reassurance as much as style. As for pricing, Mazda hasn't revealed final numbers yet, but expectations suggest the base model may start in the low $30,000 range, while top trims with larger screens and premium materials could gravitate toward the mid to upper 40s. As a redesigned model, the 2026 CX-5 commands a modest premium over the current lineup. In summary, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 doesn't attempt to reinvent the wheel, but the refinements are meaningful. It maintains everything that made the CX-5 popular: elegant styling, driving pleasure, and usage flexibility, while elevating craftsmanship, interior tech, and spatial generosity. It remains a compelling choice in the compact SUV market. Thank you for watching Prime Car. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next review. Drop a comment below. Would you wait for the hybrid version, or go for the refined petrol lineup? Until next time, stay informed and stay in gear.